Sometimes, despite our best efforts, it can be difficult to stay productive and focused because distractions easily take over. Let's talk about one technique that can help you boost your productivity: EFT. EFT, or Emotional Freedom Technique, is a method that combines acupressure and psychology to help you release negative emotions and limiting beliefs. It is based on the same energy meridians used in traditional acupuncture to treat physical and emotional ailments for over 5,000 years, but without the invasiveness of needles. Tapping on specific points on your body while repeating affirmations can help you calm down and overcome emotions that affect your productivity. One of the primary advantages of EFT is that it can assist you in removing mental blocks and increasing your motivation. If you've ever felt stuck and unable to progress with a task, EFT can help you overcome that resistance and accomplish it. Another way EFT can boost your productivity is by reducing distractions. When you're more centered and focused, you're less likely to get sidetracked by social media, emails, or other interruptions. Follow the next steps to get started with EFT and improve your productivity. First, learn the basic tapping points and how to perform the technique correctly. Then, identify the emotions or beliefs that might be holding you back, such as fear of failure, self-doubt, or overwhelm. Finally, develop a daily EFT routine that targets those specific issues and helps you move past them. Thanks for watching this guide to using EFT to boost your productivity. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to our channel for more tips and strategies to improve your life.